We are awakening. You are seeing the truth as the lavishness of life's possibilities are opening up to us. The veil is thinning to reveal the truth of who you are. Old structures, belief systems, mindsets are crumbling to nothingness, making room for the new. Let heaven on earth become real in this place as we rejoice in the inner knowing of our hearts. It's a great time to be alive. A new song is being sung. Let me hope you can hear it. A new beat is being drummed. Let me hope you can hear that too. Your very nature activated to thrive into the storm. As heavenly gifts seek expression without compromise, you have a blank slate, a blank canvas to paint your new life. Next steps appearing from thin air, knowing what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. You are awakening. Enjoy the ride. We are all awakening. Talk to you soon. Keroy here.